Good morning to all of you, dear friends and students. I am Sai Babu, advocate. Our today's topic is regarding National Consumer Day. You may be remembering December 24th of every year is observed as National Consumer Day with a specific theme for a particular year. You may be knowing the importance of this day being the Consumer Protection Act 1986. It was given assent or it was signed by the President of India on this August day. So right from there onwards we are observing December 24th as the National Consumer Day with a specific theme. So this year's theme is Sustainable Person. In other words, we can call it as sustainable development. That means this COVID-19 pandemic has left us in the lurch, and of course the environmental changes have been made, but once again when this curfew and other things are gone, once again we have resorted to the destruction of the climate change. So you have to think of the climate change, you have to think of the biodiversity, and you have to go for the clean environment. And as consumer protection councils are there, they have to make efforts in this direction. Right, friends, you may be remembering during the year 1986 the Consumer Protection Act has come into existence, and of course because there are so many amendments of necessary, and that too the consumer awareness has been developed even among the public also, there was definitely a change. Therefore the Act of 2019, Consumer Protection Act 2019 came into existence, and it came into force from 20th July 2020. Now it is in force. It has gone so much of developments. So previously I made a detailed video even regarding the 2019 Consumer Protection Act. So I don't want to reiterate all these things. I think very recently we have seen in the press that the Center for Environmental Science, that is Science and Environment, Delhi and Down to Earth, that organization, it has conducted some tests regarding the purity of the honey, and they stated that out of the 13 brands which supply honey, 10 brands could not stand to the purity test when tested by the German lab, right, including Patanjali, our very famous Dabur honey, and Imami, all these things. Of course, the 3 brands are, I think, Nature's Nectar one, second is Saffola, and third one is Marquette Sona. Yeah. So these 3 companies, they stood the test. Basically, other things they failed to pass the test. But of course, Dabur has given immediate recounter that they have procured they did not procure any sugar. They have procured 100% natural honey, and it was tested in German lab, some other lab, and gave a certificate and all these things. But anyway, at that time, I just thought about the consumer, how the gullible public are being cheated because of the COVID-19. Everybody wanted to go for nature products like dry fruits and this honey, and Dabur honey, Himalaya honey, they are very popular brands. But still, there is no momentum and nobody filed a case against them. That's why definitely the consumer awareness should go up. Nowadays, you may be knowing, so the new act has extended the pecuniary jurisdiction of the redressal forums also. In a district court, you can file a case up to 1 crore, and from 1 crore to 10 crores, you have to file before the state commission, and later you can go to the national commission. So pecuniary jurisdiction also has been extended, and now please remember this new act has created the Central Consumer Protection Authority, Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA. This is most important. Their role is to protect, to promote, and to enforce the rights of the consumer. You may be knowing the rights of the consumer. That is, so if at all any defect in the product, if any deficiency in the service is there, or if any unfair trade practices are there, the consumer can very well go to the forum and file a case. Previously, we used to file civil cases which are not, it takes years together for a decision or for the adjudication. Now, since And this new act contains the alternative dispute redressal mechanism also. Arbitration, conciliation proceedings also are there. And electronic complaint system is also there. So the most important point I want to tell you is now this Consumer Protection Act has taken into the fold the e-commerce giants. Previously e-commerce people, they did not respond properly. Nowadays the e-commerce people, they are required to inform the return policy, the exchange policy, the refund policy, the warranty and guarantee. You will know the difference between warranty and guarantee. That policy, then delivery, shipment and mode of payment. If at all any grievance is there, grievance redressal mechanism, and the manufacturer country or the place from which it is originating, origin country, because it's more important. Very recently the government of India banned so many China apps, and China products also may be banned, we don't know, but so the consumer should know from which country it is coming, right? So electronically, if at all you file any complaint, even to the electronic e-commerce people, they have to respond within 48 hours, and within 21 days the dispute should be redressed. Otherwise they can go and file a claim in the so-called redressal tribunal, redressal forum, right? Consumer forums are there. Each one normally for a district there is one consumer forum, and they are having a help desk also. There is no pro forma, there is no fees also up to 5 lakhs. You can file the petition freely, and it is nothing but getting a quick redressal for your grievance. And second point, suppose if there is any misleading advertisement, you might have seen the case of very famous celebrated film actor Amitabh Bachchan. So he has to stop giving the advertisements for false propaganda. So please remember, misleading advertisement should not be given. If such is the case, the manufacturer and also the endorsing person, they will find 10 lakhs and also 2 years punishment, right? This is the seriousness of the issue. So please remember, definitely as advocates you should actually propagate the consumerism, because Mahatma Gandhi stated, of course he stated as a customer is God. Of course nowadays also customer is God or consumer is God up to the purchasing level. Once you purchase the item, so the new young couple after newly married, they want to go purchase a new TV. Yes, they go to the shop, they will purchase some TV, and after coming back after 2 or 3 months it doesn't function properly, then this boy, the husband, has to take it to the stores. Then they will direct him to the service center will tell him about the warranty and guarantee. These parts are not given guarantee, therefore you have to pay some money. He pays the money, and it takes some time to get back the so-called TV, and once again, so after a couple of months it starts giving trouble, and he doesn't know. His wife says, so somebody has come in front, evaro mundu vachcharu mana palano dishti tagilindani cheppi aadavalu tittukuntu untaru. So but normally you don't try to go to the consumer court. In this connection I want to reiterate, please remember the bill, and please remember that if you purchase the item for your personal thing, that's all, it's not commercial, then only the Consumer Protection Act will apply. Anyway, so on this auspicious August day of December 24th, let us remember the National Consumer Day, and the consumers, the gullible consumers should not be put to hardship, they should not be cheated, they should not be introverted through the so-called unfair trade practices, and as advocates it is our duty to claim them. And friends, remember, if you take up any such case, of course freely or something, normally with minimum, definitely the companies will remember you, and definitely you will become a hero in the eyes of the general public. Suppose you take up a case of TVS scooter, if you take up a case of Sony TV, if you take up course of some Margadarshi chit funds case, definitely you will become popular, just like criminal lawyer. In other way, that is also helpful for you. Anyway, so with this I want to conclude. So let us celebrate the Consumers Day, and please advise your consumers to keep the bill with them. Otherwise it is very, very difficult to prove the case. Right? Thank you very much.